Are you tired of juggling multiple tasks and feeling overwhelmed? Imagine boosting your productivity tenfold with just a few clicks. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 AI tools that are revolutionizing the way we work in 2025. Stay tuned to discover how these game-changing technologies can transform your workflow and skyrocket your efficiency. Let's dive right in with number 5 on our list, Motion AI. This innovative tool is changing the game when it comes to task management and scheduling. With its advanced algorithms, Motion AI analyzes your work patterns and automatically creates optimized schedules for you. It takes into account your energy levels, deadlines, and priorities, ensuring you're always working on the right task at the right time. Say goodbye to decision fatigue and hello to a perfectly balanced workday. Moving on to number 4, we have Notion AI. This powerful assistant takes your note-taking and project management to the next level. Notion AI can generate meeting summaries, create content outlines, and even draft emails based on your previous communications. It learns your writing style and preferences, becoming an indispensable collaborator in your daily work. At number 3, we have the ever-popular ChatGPT Pro. This advanced language model has become a go-to tool for professionals across industries. From brainstorming ideas to writing reports and analyzing data, ChatGPT Pro offers unparalleled support in various tasks. Its ability to understand context and generate human-like responses makes it an invaluable asset for any productivity-focused individual. Coming in at number 2 is ClickUp AI. This all-in-one productivity platform has integrated AI capabilities that streamline your workflow like never before. ClickUp AI can automate repetitive tasks, suggest improvements to your processes, and even predict potential bottlenecks in your projects. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, ClickUp AI is revolutionizing the way teams collaborate and get work done. And finally, our top pick for the most productivity-boosting AI tool of 2025 is Perplexity AI. This groundbreaking technology combines the power of natural language processing with advanced information retrieval systems. Perplexity AI acts as your personal research assistant, providing instant, accurate answers to complex questions and generating comprehensive reports on any topic. Its ability to synthesize information from multiple sources and present it in a clear, concise manner is truly remarkable. These 5 AI tools are just the tip of the iceberg. When it comes to enhancing productivity in 2025, by leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, you can streamline your workflow, make better decisions, and achieve more in less time. Which of these tools are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech insights.
If you are interested, the links are available under the video description. You can download and use for your productivity.